안녕하세요, 여러분! When you hear this intro, you know that this video is gonna be something Korean related. And today, I'm gonna share with you guys 4 exclusive Korean beauty products that you can find at Guardian. So Olive Young, as we all know, is a huge beauty retailer in Korea, and they have partnered up with Guardian to bring us a lot of Korean beauty brands into Singapore. If you're a big K-beauty fan like me, you know it's always very difficult to get hold on certain brands, like we always have to go to Korea and buy, but now don't have to worry because some of these brands are now found exclusively in Guardian. The first brand is this brand called Round Around. I have here with me the Green Tea Pure Cleansing Foam, and together with it, this is the Green Tea Bubble Maker. Round Around is a very famous Korean brand that I've seen so many influencers talk about already. The next brand that I'm gonna show you guys is this brand called Bring Green. So I have here the Carrot Vita Dark Spot Serum as well as the Vita Toner Pad, also from the Carrot series. And here I have Botanic Heal BoH. If you guys go to Olive Young in Seoul, you will probably see this always in the front stands because these are so trendy. Actually, I always go to Korea and I always look at it, I always want to buy it, but I never got the chance to try it. So this time I actually managed to try it, so I'm very happy about it. And lastly, Wakemake. I'm very excited about this one because it's a really huge Korean makeup brand that you can find in Olive Young, but also now you'll be able to find it in Guardian. So I'm gonna remove my makeup and start everything from skincare to makeup with you guys. Okay, so I removed all of my makeup and now I'm gonna be cleansing my face with the Round Around Green Tea Pure Cleansing Foam, and together with it, I'm gonna use the Green Tea Bubble Maker. First, put a little bit of the cleansing foam inside and pour a little bit of water, and then you'll pump it. Ooh, check this out, guys. Very dense foam. And that was super easy as compared to just trying to foam it up with your fingers, right? I'm back! Okay, so I really like how this cleanser is very gentle, but yet very effective. All I needed to put was just a tiny little bit. It smells amazing as well. I would say this is really good for people with normal to oily combination skin. So if you have dry skin like me, you gotta go in with skincare, and which is why I'm gonna be pairing it with quite a lot of skincare, and today's skincare products are actually a little bit more on the richer side. So next up, I'm going in with this Spring Green Carrot Vita Toner Pad. If you guys are familiar with K-beauty, you would know that they are really big on these kind of toner pads that are basically cotton pads that are already soaked with toner, and it has 2 sides. One of it is embossed and the other side is just a normal side. So I usually like to start off with the embossed side with mild exfoliation. And I really like this one because it helps to brighten my skin and it's actually very thoroughly soaked. I really like that the pad itself is not too scratchy on the skin because I don't like it when it has that gauze feeling. This one doesn't give it that feeling at all. So I'm gonna let my toner sit in a little bit before going in with my Bring Green Avocado Fresh Mask. So this mask is actually made of 50% avocado, which is known as the butter of the forest, and it helps to nourish dry skin deeply and richly. So if you have dry skin, this one is really good for you. This mask is actually more of a creamier side rather than an essence, and I like that it fits very well. You don't have a lot of excess areas that you can't cover with this mask. So I'm gonna leave it for 10 to 20 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, I've left this on for about 10 minutes and it's time to remove it. Ta-da! Ooh, I like it. I feel like the cream, the essence is very creamy, but at the same time it's not too rich on the skin. So I'm just gonna let it absorb a little bit more into the skin. And what I like to do is just use my fingers, or if you have a beauty tool that you like to go in with it to help it absorb better, you can do that as well. So every time I use this, my skin instantly becomes brighter and a lot more bouncy and hydrated. I love how glowy it is. Really hydrated and plump, but it's not sticky also. So now we are ready for the serum. Bring Green Carrot Vita Dark Spot Serum. So this is a brightening product and the texture of this is actually pretty thick. Very jelly-like. Once it touches your skin, it feels like it just melts into it and it just has a very nice water texture, and this one really helps to brighten and hydrate the skin. Okay, the last step is in moisturizer. This one is the Botanic Heal BoH moisturizer. It's the Derma Water Ceramide Gel Cream. This is extremely good if you have dry skin. It has a nice gel texture which is not too heavy or rich on your skin, but it just provides lots and lots of moisture with the ceramide inside. So I'm just gonna apply this on my skin as my last step. This one does have a little bit of fresh scent. You feel like smelling nice clean bed sheets. And this is my skincare. Alright, it's now time for makeup. I'm gonna do my base and I'll be back. And I'm back! So my base looks so much more flawless and healthy and dewy. I literally use the same foundation and concealer that I usually would wear, but because of all of the skincare that we did earlier and the masking, it really shows up a lot better. So now I'm gonna go in with Wakemake. I have been a huge fan of Wakemake. Every single time I go to Korea and in Olive Young, I always pick up some products from there because they are really affordable and yet high quality. So today I'm gonna be using their Power Jet Dual Brow. This one is in brown color. So it has two sides. One is a twist up brow pencil and the other side is a spoolie. And there's also a powder portion over here if you want to do that very diffuse brow look. What I like to do is I like to first use the pencil part to go in at the ends and then use the powder at the frontal part of your brows to make it look a little bit more soft, and use the spoolie to just brush everything out once you're done. So I like using this kind of dual-ended pencil because it allows me to create different kinds of brow looks with just one product. Okay, so now I'm using the Wakemake Pocket Styler 02 Dress Up Glitter. There are 7 different eyeshadow colors and this is the glitter version, so it has a lot of glitter and it's very popular and perfect for the holidays. Look at how beautiful the glitters are. I'm just gonna be taking this shade over here, which is kind of like a baby peach color, and I'm just gonna pat it on my eyelid. Okay, it's now time for eyeliner. I'm using the Defining Gel Liquid Liner from Wakemake as well. This one is in the shade Chestnut 02. It's super like small and sleek, very suitable for travels and also, you know, just to put it in your purse. And I like this eyeliner because it's a cross between a gel, a liquid, and also a pencil eyeliner. So I'm lining it pretty thickly because I want to use a brush to smudge it out. In this case, you can use it as a 2-in-1, as a eyeshadow or as an eyeliner. And I'm gonna repeat on the other eye. Alright, it's now time for my cheeks and my lips. I have 2 lip options over here. Wakemake Lip Paint in number 11, Salmon Paint. So this one is kind of like a liquid lipstick, velvet lipstick kind of texture. It's not too drying on the lips. And I also have this one, which is the Wakemake Rouge Gun in the shade number 10. So both of them are slightly coral-ish. So for my cheeks, I'm actually gonna use this Rouge Gun lipstick. This is a bullet lipstick and it's slightly more matte. I'm just gonna apply it at the back of my hand first. Then I will use my fingers to just pat it on my cheeks as my blush. And for my lips, I'm going in with a really gorgeous salmon shade. And then go in with this lipstick again for a gradient effect. Okay, so I just curled my lashes and applied some mascara and this look is now complete. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Everything that I used today can be found easily in Guardian, so I'm very happy. I hope all of you K-beauty fans are as happy about this Olive Young and Guardian collaboration as me. And of course, I'll leave everything in the description box like always, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!